Cool, this must be probably the worst unboxing you've ever seen, but who cares? Oh, hello. Oh, today's a good day. Oh, nearly knocked the bloody thing over. How are you? Welcome back to the channel. And if you couldn't tell, we have something very exciting here, the DJI Osmo 360. And today we're going to be unboxing it and having a quick look what's inside the box. Excuse the setup, it's makeshift. We're going full on DJI production here, filming on the Pocket 3, DJI mic, and a couple of lights I found outside elsewhere. Not the normal setup, but let's give it a go. First time unboxing on the channel, so it's not going to be perfect, but I just wanted to get it done. I'm excited, so let's open this up and see what all the fuss is about. So, very nice box to start off with. Take off the plastic wrapping. And the 360 is there in the box. Open up. Get them open. Sorry, this might be the longest. Oh my god. Cue the night bird singing, whatever that is. So here we go. 2 boxes inside. The accessories box and the Osmo 360 box. Cool. Osmo 360 box. Accessories box. And of course the Adventure selfie stick. I obviously went with the selfie stick, the Adventure combo, so with the 3 extra batteries, which should hopefully be in there somewhere. Get rid of that, upside down, of course it is. There we go, like so. Where should we go? Let's get the accessories first. What's have we got in here? So we've got the, get to that in a second. This must be the extended battery pack. Yeah, extended battery pack. Hopefully should have 3 batteries in there. Perfect, love that. All 1950 milliamp, good. Pop that here. The case for the DJI Osmo 360. This might be the biggest shambles of an unboxing ever, but who cares? Doesn't have to be perfect. Got some cables, charging cables. Also, what's that? Oh, the mount and the screen protector. The wipe to use to clean the screen wipe. Okay, there we go. Great. Documentation, stickers, don't use that. They can go there. What's this? Oh, very important. The lens protector, the rubber lens protector. Want that for sure, as we have no replaceable lenses on the Osmo 360. Well, this is going from bad to worse, but hey, doesn't matter. We're unboxing, get rid of that. And the one that really matters is the Osmo 360 itself, the device itself. Here we go, don't need that. Cool. Just get that, see if we can get that nice. Ooh. Love that sound. Smells plasticky. There we go. Can you get a good view of that? Yes, you can. That's the back lens, screen and front lens, however you want to look at it. Both dual lenses. Okay. Cool. This must be probably the worst unboxing you've ever seen, but who cares? There we go. 1 selfie stick, boom, for the DJI Osmo 360. I am looking forward to this. By any means, it's not going to be my only video of the 360. Don't you worry about that, there's going to be plenty more coming. Yeah, cool. we will be back with plenty more Osmo 360 videos. See you in a bit.